Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we are going to discuss about the speed of sound. First of all, as all the things like the light and other things, sound also need a speed. It also required the speed, and its speed is different in different mediums. First of all, sound takes time to travel, just like other one, and the speed of sound waves is about 3 seconds per kilometer. It means that it requires 3 seconds to cover the distance of about 1 kilometer, and it is different in different mediums. Light travels same distance in an instant. That why we can see the lightning before we can hear it. Here in the table we can see the speed of sound in different media. First of all, we have the air. In the air, the speed of sound is 330 meter per second, and in the air at different temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. It means that temperature is also affecting the speed of sound. The speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, but if we change the temperature of the medium, then the speed of sound can also be changed. For example, in this example we have the temperature at 0 Celsius and the speed is 330 meter per second, and if we change the temperature that is raised to 30 Celsius, then the speed of light is also 350 meters per second. And in the third example you can see that the speed of sound is in the water at 0 Celsius and the speed of sound is 1400 meter per second. There is a large change between the air and the water. Next is the concrete. In the concrete, the speed of sound is 5000 meters per second. Light sound travels different mediums in different speeds in different materials, and you can see from this that the speed of sound travels faster in the liquids than in the gases. Here we have in the water, that is a liquid, we have a greater speed as compared to the air, that is the gas. And besides of all this, we have the highest speed of sound in solids, so we can say that the sound travels fastest of all in the solids. In the next, we have the reflection of sound, that is our echoes. Light, just like the light, sound also reflect with some surfaces. Here we have a wall, and when the light reflect from this surface, you can hear a sound of echo. This sound of echo is actually heard after a time. It means that the sound that is reflected by the girl is reflected by the wall, and then is produce the echoes, and you can hear the echoes after some time. You can see that in this diagram the girl is sitting about 80 meters away from the wall, and each time when it produce sound from the basket, then you can hear an echo time, and echo time is about 0.5 seconds. It means that when the girl produce the sound, she can hear the echo of that sound round about 0.5 seconds above. And the speed of sound, this echo and this speed of sound is very helpful when we find the depth or the distance from a point to a object. For example, this principle can be used by the echo sounders, and they use this sound by the ships and can measure the depth of the water. In this, we need to know about the speed of sound in the medium. For example, if it is in air, then the speed of sound will be 330 approximately, and of course we need to know about the echo time. Then the echo time will tell us about the distance that is covered by that echo, and we can measure that distance. And bats also use that echoes or the reflection of sound to find out their food. and when they produce the ultrasound, and that ultrasound, when they are sent out, they are reflected and reflected back to the ears, and they can measure the distance of the food by their own, and this will be helpful for the bats to find out their food at night time. This was about the reflection of the sound, producing of the sound, and also the speed of the sound. Hope it will be clear to you. Thank you.